Too special. You deserve roses, and you know this. You got me like.
Hey guys, before I start this video, I want to say that this was supposed to be a vlog. It didn't really turn out right because I had nothing to do. But basically, I'm showing you my night routine in this vlog. But it was supposed to be a vlog, but not a night routine. But it turned out to be a night routine. So I'm just going to call it a night routine. And I really hope you guys enjoy. I'm on spring break. And I don't know what we're going to do. But we might, I'm just going to say that we might go to Miami tonight. So if we do, if we don't, I don't know, I'll vlog it or something. But yeah, so I think that's all I want to say. And let's go to the night routine. Hey guys, I'm just going to start my vlog here. It's 7:03. I got the last snippet of the sun going down, so I will put that in this video. But basically, I'm getting ready to go to sleep. The cat's poo. Gross. Part of my freaking night. That's to happen. So I don't think you guys want to see this anyway. Ew. Gross poo. Ooh. He's struggling. I'm just gonna shower now.
Are you finished, Mr. Slade? No, I'm just getting warmed up.
Shame on you, you macho shithead.
Guys, that shower was not warm at all. It was just so freaking cold. We have solar panels, but it was not working today, or I just took a shower too late. But But I'm basically about to watch Homeland for the rest of the night. So I might see you tomorrow